Hello everyone, and how are you guys doing? This video is about me winning the main choice curl box vote giveaway. I think I voted 32 times and I got to choose 6 collections, my choice, that 1 I haven't tried yet and 2 are my favorite and I needed more of. So I'm going to go ahead and go through what I've got and what I'm excited to try, and then I'm going to need your help at the end of the video to decide on which of the items I haven't used yet, which collection should I try for my next wash day, because this is a week worth of my last wash day. Yeah, so I'm going to need help, but let's get started. First item, or first collection, or whatever I choose to, whatever, is this. It's the Tropical Maringa Sweet Oil Honey Endless Moisture Shampoo. Next favorite thing is the Tropical Maringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask. Wah wah. This leaves your hair so moisturized like no other. No other. Next item. We have the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Stubborn Edges Freezing Gel. Another good one. When I tell you your edge is going to be slayed and laid and sliced and diced to the side, this is going to do it for you. They won't move. They are going to stay still. Next is the Do It Fro the Culture Courageous Conditioner, Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume. Now this is a line I haven't tried yet. Oh my god, it smells so good. Like it smells like candy. We have the Exotic Kool-Aid Minty, Guava, and Kiwi Shampoo. Yes, baby, yes. This is another line I haven't tried yet. It has the nozzle so you can get to your scalp easily. Woo! Another line I tried, but I haven't tried this product yet. Ancient Egyptian Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. Next we have the Do It Fro the Culture Sophisticated Sheen Spray, powered by black charcoal and black cumin. Next we have the Exotic Kool-Aid Luscious Lychee and Dragon Fruit Definition of Definition Jello. Okay. And it says refreshing, cool scalp and nourish laid hair. It smells good. See? It is like Jello, baby. Next we have the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Moisturizing Styling Cream. Now I haven't tried everything from this line, and this is one of them. Look at that. It smells so good. Another Do It Fro the Culture. We have the Powerful Shampoo. Same, it has the black charcoal and black cumin. Another line I haven't tried yet, and this is the Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Mousse, the Mood Collection. Next in the box, get something closer. We have the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Shampoo. I tried this. Something else from the Exotic Kool-Aid, we have the Fresh Mango and Passion Fruit Mask. and it has this pretty purple color. And it's thick, real thick, with 3 C's. Thick. Box, we have another exotic Kool-Aid. We have the Mellow Melon and Nectarine Melted Shine Oil. Ooh, Tropical Moringa Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner. Now, I never left this in. I would love to leave this in if I had another 2 bottles. Of the Do It Fro the Culture Bold Buttery Gel. And this is black or gray. Black gray, but it is like very movable. Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Conditioner. This whole line is for like volume and anti-shedding, and I did notice a lot of shedding in a couple of past washes, so hopefully this helps me. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like, you remember that old Bath and Body Works peach Bellini or peach body lotion? That's what. Yeah, we have another Do It Fro the Culture Magnificent Miracle Mask. And this is another. It's gray and it's a thick. We have the Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Mask. Haven't tried this one. It's green. She thick too. The Exotic Kool-Aid Sweet Papaya and Pineapple Infinite Conditioner. We have the Do It Fro the Culture Accomplished Triple Layer Leave-In. The Ancient Egyptian 24 Karat Glistening Gold Twisting Gel. Tried it, love it. I love it for wash and goes because my hair don't feel crunchy, it feels soft but still defined. The Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Manageability and Softening Remedy Leave-In Spray. Like I said, with sprays, but I'm still going to give it a try, see how it works for me. If not really, if it don't work like I wanted to, I will put it in a giveaway. But still, I haven't tried it, so we're going to give it a try. We have the Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Again, good for wash and goes. And I love this product. It's like a glaze. Ooh. We have the Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. Look at that. It smells so good. See, now if all other lines come in this jar, I would be highly satisfied. This is the jar I like. I like this. 12 fluid ounces. I'm getting close to the end. We have another Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Softening Conditioner. Love it. We have the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We have the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Conditioner. We have the Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Shampoo. Ooh la la. We have the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil. The Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Leave-In Cream. Ooh, haven't tried this one. Now this is a new item to the Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion line, and this is the Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Hairspray. This was what they were showing at BeautyCon LA, I think. We have the Tropical Moringa Restorative Spray. This would be my third one. Don't judge me. Another. And then we have the Ancient Egyptian Split-In Treatment Serum. Another Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover. We have the shampoo. Yes, yes. So that was the last item in the box, and you know, I wasn't counting, but I think that's like 32 items, 30 something items that I've got, and I'm excited to try it. So yes, but yes, thank you to the Main Choice for choosing me as the winner. I'm so excited to try these products because most of these I haven't tried yet, and I've been, you know, having major FOMO because I haven't been able to purchase them myself because of my situation. So I'm very grateful and thankful for these gifts. Not gifts, but giveaway prize. But yes, so okay, out of all these items, I would like to know which line I should use. Should I use the Peach Black Tea line? Should I use the Do It For The Fro line? Should I use the Exotic Kool-Aid line? Or should I try something I've already tried but the whole line together and then make a video and then, you know, something like that? Let me know, comment down below what I should do, and I'll catch you guys on the next unboxing of goodies. All right, bye.